Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money with cryptocurrency. Now, before we jump in, let's get one thing straight: this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. The crypto world is exciting, but it's also volatile and requires knowledge, strategy, and a bit of patience. Think of this video as your beginner's guide, a map to help you navigate the landscape. We'll explore several popular methods, from the more straightforward to the slightly more complex. My goal is to give you a clear overview so you can decide what might be right for you. Remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. This is a fundamental rule. So, grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's demystify how people are generating income in the crypto space. First up, the most well-known method: investing and hodling. HODL, which stands for hold on for dear life, is a popular term in the crypto community. It's a long-term strategy. The idea is simple: you buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you hold on to them through all the market ups and downs, and you aim to sell them years later for a significant profit. Why does this work? Because historically, despite the volatility, major cryptocurrencies have shown an upward trend over the long term. This strategy is great for beginners because it's less about timing the market perfectly and more about believing in the future potential of the technology. You don't need to be glued to your screen watching charts all day. The key is to choose solid, well-established projects with strong fundamentals and a clear use case. Think of it like investing in blue-chip stocks. You're betting on the long-term growth and adoption of the entire crypto ecosystem. Next, let's talk about trading. Unlike hodling, crypto trading is a short-term strategy. Traders aim to profit from the constant price fluctuations in the market. This can mean holding assets for a few days, a few hours, or even just a few minutes. There are different styles, like day trading, where you open and close positions within the same day, and swing trading, where you hold for a few days or weeks to catch a swing in the price. Trading requires a much deeper understanding of market analysis. You'll need to learn about reading charts, identifying patterns, and using technical indicators. It's more active, more demanding, and carries a higher risk because you're making frequent decisions. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. If you're considering this path, I highly recommend starting with a small amount of capital and using demo accounts on exchanges to practice without risking real money. Education is your best friend here. Now for something a little different: staking and yield farming. These are ways to earn passive income with the crypto you already own. Let's start with staking. Many cryptocurrencies use a mechanism called proof of stake to secure their network. By staking your coins, you're essentially locking them up to help validate transactions and maintain the network. In return for your contribution, the network rewards you with more coins. It's like earning interest in a savings account, but often with much higher potential returns, known as AP or annual percentage yield. It's a fantastic way to make your assets work for you, instead of just sitting in a wallet. Many major exchanges have made staking super easy, often just a few clicks. Yield farming is a bit more complex, but can offer even higher rewards. It's a core part of what's known as DeFi, or decentralized finance. In yield farming, you provide liquidity, meaning you lend your crypto assets to a decentralized exchange or a lending protocol. These platforms need a pool of assets to function, allowing users to swap or borrow tokens. By contributing to this pool, you become a liquidity provider. In return, you earn a share of the transaction fees generated by the platform, and often, you're also rewarded with the platform's own governance tokens. It involves more steps and a bit more technical know-how than simple staking. The risks are also higher due to things like impermanent loss, which is a concept you'll definitely want to research if you explore this. But for those willing to learn, yield farming can be a powerful income stream. Another exciting area is NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. You've probably heard about them: digital art, collectibles, and more. One way to make money here is by flipping NFTs. This means buying an NFT at a low price, perhaps during its initial launch or mint, and then selling it for a higher price on a secondary marketplace like OpenSea. The key to successful flipping is identifying projects with strong communities, great art, and real potential before they become popular. This requires a lot of research, spending time on platforms like Twitter and Discord, and understanding what makes an NFT project valuable. It's a high-risk, high-reward game that moves incredibly fast. Beyond flipping, you can also earn by creating and selling your own NFTs if you're an artist, musician, or creator of any kind. This opens up a whole new way for creators to monetize their work directly. Let's not forget about crypto mining. This is the original way people earn Bitcoin. Mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems. When a miner solves the problem, they get to add the next block of transactions to the blockchain and are rewarded with newly created crypto. In the early days, you could mine Bitcoin on a home computer. Today, for major coins like Bitcoin, it requires specialized, expensive hardware and consumes a lot of electricity, making it difficult for individuals to compete. However, it's still possible to mine newer, less established altcoins with a decent gaming PC. You can also join a mining pool where you combine your computing power with other miners and share the rewards. It's a technical path, but it's the backbone of how many cryptocurrencies operate. Another method gaining traction is participating in airdrops. An airdrop is essentially free crypto. Projects will distribute their new tokens to the wallets of active crypto users, often as a marketing strategy to build a community and create buzz. To qualify, you might need to have used a specific platform, held a certain token, or completed simple tasks like following their social media accounts. While a single airdrop might not make you rich, some have been worth thousands of dollars. The key is to be an active participant in the DeFi ecosystem. By trying out new protocols and platforms, you naturally increase your chances of being eligible for future airdrops. It's a great way to discover new projects and potentially get rewarded for your curiosity. Finally, you can also earn crypto through play-to-earn games. This is a booming sector within crypto, sometimes called gamify. These games are built on the blockchain, and the in-game items, like characters, weapons, or land, are NFTs that you truly own. By playing the game and achieving certain goals, you can earn the game's native cryptocurrency or valuable NFTs, which you can then sell on the open market for real money. Games like Axie Infinity paved the way, and now there are countless options across different genres. This method combines entertainment with earning potential. If you're a gamer, this could be a natural and fun way to enter the crypto world. You're essentially getting paid to play, a dream for many. So, let's recap. We've covered long-term investing or hodling, short-term trading, earning passive income through staking and yield farming, the dynamic world of NFTs, the technical process of mining, getting free tokens via airdrops, and even earning through play-to-earn games. As you can see, there isn't just one way to make money with crypto. The best strategy for you will depend on your risk tolerance, your available capital, how much time you can commit, and what aspects of this technology genuinely interest you. I encourage you to start small, focus on learning, and never stop doing your research. The crypto space is constantly evolving, so staying informed is your greatest asset. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this detailed guide. I hope it's given you a clearer picture of the opportunities out there. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future content. Until next time, stay curious and invest wisely.